One fine day it happened. A stranger found him at home. The old man didn't know what to do when the stranger wouldn't go. The old man sat at the table. The stranger sat on the floor. He washed his hands in a bowl of water. He ate and walked out the door. Well, that's the end of that, the man thought. Now the stranger's gone. But when the night came closing in, the stranger came back home. Are you a bandit here to steal my food? But he looked at him like he hadn't even heard. I was so strong, I never needed anyone. But the bandit never said a word, not a single word. Never said a word, not one word. The year came and went. The old man's time was done. Sat out on his broken step, soaking up the sun. The bandit sat beside him. The old man knew the time was here to empty all of his regrets and drop all of his fears. So he lay in his cot that evening and somehow fell asleep. The little bandit stayed nearby and he saw that he didn't breathe. Summer, some hikers found their home. The old man was dead upon his bed, but he was not alone. Curled up beside him, the little bandit lay. A simple raccoon by any name, he too had passed away. Now I see them dancing up in the fields. The aches and pains have all gone away. Running in the clover and spinning on their heels. The old man and the bandit. The old man and the bandit are laughing again. They know it's not the end. They will go on and on. They will go on and on. The moral of the story: never know when the time comes. Like the old man and his friend the bandit, when you're gone, you've just begun.